Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another animation video with the help of HTML and CSS. So let's start. This is our HTML page and this is our CSS page. With us, I'm also going to open the preview tab where we can see the preview on to see what is the output when we are going to code over here. This is how we are going to get this navigation. When we are going to hover on it, it is going to expand by 5%, or it is going to transform itself for 5% from the basic what the coding is written. So you can use this in your website and make your website interesting. See you again with some more. Meet you guys in the next video with some more animation videos like this on HTML and CSS and also other topics of computer science. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Bye bye.